Hello, in front of me I've got Snapchat. In this video I'll show you how to create Snap on Snapchat Spotlight. In the beginning, let's go to Snapchat and tap plus in the Spotlight. Now you can upload video or create. Preview and send to. Spotlight videos need at least 5 seconds. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.